Good morning to all of you. I'm Rajesh Kumar, science teacher in Partap School, Pathankot. I'm here to discuss with you a topic cardiovascular system, or you can say blood vascular system, or simply human circulatory system of chapter first, life process, class 10th. First, we discuss what are the components of cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system consists of mainly three components: blood, heart, blood vessels. Okay, blood, heart, and blood vessels. Today, I discuss with you blood. What is blood? Okay, blood is a fluid that moves through the vessels of a circulatory system. It includes plasma, which is liquid portion, a cellular part, which contain blood cells and other cells like WBC, and cell fragments called platelets. Plasma. First, plasma is the main component of blood, consists mostly of water with protein, ions, nutrients, and waste mixed in. Second, RBC, red blood cells, or also you can call erythrocytes, which are basically responsible for transportation of gases and other nutrients from one part of the body to other part of the body. Okay, then platelets are mainly responsible for blood clotting process, means these helps in clotting of blood. Then white blood cells, or also called as leukocytes. Leukocytes or white blood cells are mainly involved in defense mechanism. They protect us from harmful antigens or the pathogens that can provide harm to our body. So simply we can say the white blood cells perform defensing function. Next, here is a flow chart of blood which show the various compositions of elements present in blood. Okay, blood mainly consists of two parts. One is plasma and second one is cellular part. 55% of blood volume constitute plasma and 45% of blood volume consists of cellular part. In plasma, water is present 92% and other dissolved substances are present 8%. These includes salts, food, hormones, proteins, and waste product. Protein also include fibrinogen, albumin. Fibrinogen is a protein which helps in blood clotting. Albumin is a protein which is mainly responsible for maintaining osmotic pressure of the blood. Then blood cell part. Blood cell part consists of RBC, red cells or red blood cells, WBC cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells are also called as erythrocytes, which mainly involve in the transporting of oxygen. White cells or leukocytes. These cells having defensive function. These cells protect us from harmful antigen or pathogens which provide harm to our body. The WBC cells again divided into two types: phagocytes and lymphocytes. Phagocyte cells are those cells which having granules. These are also called granulocytes. And lymphocyte cells are those cells which do not have granules. These are basically of two types: B cell and T cell. B cell means B stands for bone marrow. T stands for thymus. As we know that the blood formation takes place within the bone marrow. B cells dwell within the bone marrow, but T cells when they are formed in the bone marrow, they leave the bone marrow and then move toward thymus. The further growth and development of T cell takes place in thymus. Okay. B cells mainly produce antibodies. Antibodies are the chemicals formed within the body which protect us against antigen. T cells mainly kill infected or cancerous cell. Okay. T cells are divided into again two categories: T helper cell and T cytotoxic cell. T helper cell deal with the antigen which comes from outside, and T cytotoxic cells, yeah, TC cell, deals with the antigen which are found within the cell. So simply we can say that T helper cell basically deals with the antigen that comes from outside. For example, AIDS. In AIDS, T helper cells work against HIV virus, and in cancerous cell, TC cell works. Okay. Now this is all about the composition of blood. Okay. Thank you.